Verifying the installation. Check that the SUN2000 is installed properly. Check that both DC switches are off. Check that the AC switch between the SUN2000 and the power grid is off. Check that all ground cables are connected securely. Check that all AC output power cables are connected correctly and securely. Check that all DC input power cables are connected correctly and securely. Check that all communications cables are connected correctly and securely. Check that all cable glands in use at the bottom of the enclosure are sealed. Check that the AC terminal cover has been reinstalled. Check that the maintenance compartment door has been closed with its screws have been tightened. Check that unused cable glands, USB ports, and DC input terminals are covered with sealing caps.